Satellites are crucial to everyday life. If you can prolong their life, it's really a game changer. I'm Brent Robertson. I manage a group of people that build robots to operate in space to refuel other satellites. Right now, you launch a satellite, it operates, and when it runs out of fuel, it's decommissioned. Restore-L is a technology demonstration mission to be able to autonomously rendezvous, capture, robotically service, refuel, and then safely release a client satellite that was not designed to be refueled. We'll be the first to do that. So we do a lot of testing on the ground. It's outfitted with a tool system on its end effector. We don't want to push that satellite away. You know, there's no friction in space holding that satellite somewhere, so you could easily push it away. I just love what I'm doing. How many people get to work on a robot that's going to go up in space, and it's going to be the way of the future. And to think that I was a part of that is a real thrill.